My name is Vlad. I am a project manager for a construction company, and I'm looking to develop my skills into property further and get into property myself.
Amazing. And so that's what brings you here today. What have you thought about? Have you learned a lot? What are you taking away?
I'm learning loads every single day. Obviously, the team are absolutely amazing in helping structure everything into your head, because if you start learning something like this by yourself, you're going to get a lot of random information that is not particularly accurate or good. So having a structured approach to it is what brings the maximum value to me.
Amazing. And in terms of the team, Samuel, in terms of the people that surround him, how has it been working with them?
Absolutely amazing. Everyone's very friendly, very energetic, probably more energetic than I am. So it's great to see this kind of vibe around the whole room, and with the team supporting you, you can't really fail.
Amazing. And what was your appeal with property? Why have you decided to get into it?
I've always been interested in property. However, just my recent job pushed me towards looking into construction more, and that's what brought the appeal to actually do it for myself.
Amazing. And what's your next step from here?
Next step is a little bit of deal sourcing to build some capital, get some investors lined up, and from that, the sky is the limit. I'm gonna start taking on some projects for myself and reach some financial independence.
Amazing. And to anyone who was looking to get into property, what kind of advice would you give them?
Count to the £1 crash course. It's the best decision that you're gonna do. It's one day for pretty much nothing of again, information overload, and you're gonna get a lot of value. If you want to go further, you can go further with Samuel. You can go further by yourself.